Hello, Avitex Construction. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in the Houston and surrounding areas. And what I went ahead and did was an entire audit on your business's online presence. I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things that y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people to actual paying customers. Basically, we want your website to not just be a storefront, but instead be a constant lead generator so that you don't have to depend on someone else to find your new business, like Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yelp, or Google Ads. But instead, your website is already bringing people in through the door, or they're already calling you directly. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business to the door. Some things we'll be looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We've got your website, avitexconstruction.com. Got a few different pages right here, a few different pictures, a request a quote area. That's good. Different things that you've done in the past. That's good. And then contacts and services. All right. Not a bad looking website. It's got good bones to it. One thing I see is you guys don't have a lot of content. What this means is you don't have enough wording that people searching for concrete work done in your area are looking for. Google loves content. And what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages, which also depends on your competition's websites. We also want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into the Google search bar looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords that we really want to have in our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. You can use a paid tool like that, but I highly recommend reaching out to me because your time and money is valuable. And remember, I'm here to help you, to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to help make sure your business is more profitable. Keywords, once again, something that is going to point to your website. You have one keyword pointing to your website, and I can't even view it for some reason. I have a few of the competitors of yours pulled up as well, levelconcrete.com. When putting their information into the tool, levelconcrete.com, the domain name, they had 1,200 keywords. Some of the things that they have keyword-wise, driveway leveling, level concrete Houston, so forth and so on. They're getting visits on their website each month just from seeing those things. Another competitor of ours is HoustonConcrete.com or Bill Houston Concrete Construction. When putting their stuff into the tool, we see 292 keywords, nowhere near as much as this guy is doing with 1,200 keywords, but they're still doing a great deal of business. We're going to come back to that in a moment. Now let's take another look at a thing that Google likes to look at. Is called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other websites directing traffic to your website. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most weighted and trusted backlinks wins. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and to local websites will work best. We're going to go back to your stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks you guys have and how many your competitors have. Currently, 0 for avitexconstruction.com backlinks. Level Concrete has 220 backlinks, and their backlinks are trusted by this tool and by Google as well. This tool only shows what Google represents. Backlinks, other websites like HoustonMethod.com, PearlandSportsAcademy.org, so forth and so on, are pointing to levelconcrete.com from their website. So when I go to those people's website, it automatically directs me to these people's website. HoustonConcrete.com, 247 backlinks, and you get the idea. They don't have as much trust as the last person with the people that are backing up them or the people that are pointing towards their website. Sometimes backlinks are just needing to be more relevant to your industry and or be more weighted or more trusted by Google because they know that those websites have good content and they are just good structured websites that are linking to this person's website. Now we're going to go over citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in a map pack when people are searching for a service, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. What a map pack is, if I search for concrete contractors in Houston, I see this map right here, a few different pins, and then some names of concrete companies in the area, in the Houston area. They are doing something, they're optimizing their sites and or Google business profiles in order for them to be able to be right up here. After this, you see some other names of businesses like HoustonConcrete.com, which is what I'm showing you over here. They are doing pretty well by being on the first page of Google, and then some other websites that are pointing to concrete companies, and then it goes back to organic searches as well. This map pack here should be where 30% of your business is coming from. The organic search here after the map pack should be where 70% of your business is coming from. Let's take a look at your Google business profile while we're at it. When searching for Avitex Construction Houston, I see that you have your Google business profile here. It used to be called GMB or Google My Business. You have your name, phone number, address. Address not necessarily has to be listed every single time because you are a service industry, but it helps. Has a description, and it has a few things that we could work on here. It also needs more pictures in order for it to be optimized properly. Other citations also include directories like Yelp and the Better Business Bureau and quite a few other areas where you would find a name, phone number, and address. When I did Yelp, Concrete Contractor Houston, Texas gives me a whole bunch of names. And then Better Business Bureau or bbb.org has a whole bunch of names as well. Name, phone number, address of construction or concrete companies. Social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. Let me go back to avitexconstruction.com. Traffic per month. This number shows the estimated value of your target's monthly organic search or the estimated number of the monthly visits to your website on Google. So right now, Avitex Construction is not getting very much traffic at all each month. If I go to levelconcrete.com, remember they have 1,200 keywords and 220 backlinks. They have 1,000 visits on average per month to their website alone, because of what they have going on here, and because of the trust that they have within these backlinks and referring domains, which we can talk about another time. They also have some paid searches, which they're paying Google ads or other areas, and they're getting some traffic from there as well. HoustonConcrete.com, 247 backlinks, 292 keywords. They're getting 1,700 visits per month on average to their website. So 1,700 visits per month on HoustonConcrete.com. They have a domain name. They have traffic coming to them. You have a domain name and you don't have that same traffic coming to yours. So we need to make that happen for you. Just a reminder, Ahrefs is just a tool. So these numbers are based on their own algorithms. However, the real number from Google are actually almost always much higher. By generating this kind of traffic, to their website and Google business profile, let's say their conversion rate of people actually calling their business was just 10%. 10% of 1,700 is 170. And if they close business deals at around 50% of those 170 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, HoustonConcrete.com is probably closing somewhere around 75 to 85 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. Not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 75 to 85 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living. And I'm creating this video for you to help you start getting leads online, or for you to start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ, and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265, and my email is ajmsforyou@gmail.com, which is listed on this email. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps, and have a great rest of your day.